Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So I wanted to show y'all my updated silk press routine. I started using some new products that I really love. This is a clip that I took from my phone, and as you guys can see, my hair was so dirty and matted and just dull looking. Like, look at how bad it was. I couldn't even get my fingers through it. So the night before, I went in with this Sheer Moisture Strengthen and Restore conditioner. I'm sorry you can't see it very well, but I went in and I left that in my hair overnight. And now I am just taking my braids out. I still have the product in my hair, and this is what it's looking like. It feels so soft. I'm gonna go rinse the product out, and once I have it rinsed out, this is what the hair looks like. It's still super moist and it still feels so soft. Taraji P. Henson Heat Protectant is the star of the show. So what you're gonna do to use this is you're gonna have your hair nice and clean and damp. You're gonna spray one section of your hair and then brush the product through, just so it can kind of coat the hair and it can kind of soak in so it can do its job. And then you're gonna go spray down the other section, comb it out as well. And after you've done that, you go back to the other section that you first did, then you start blow drying. And this gives the product enough time to like sit on the hair and really work well for you. And next I'm gonna use my Revlon blow dryer. I like this blow dryer because it has the brush bristles on it, and it gets my hair silky, smooth and straight. Now, not as straight as it could be with like a flat iron, but it gets it really close, so it almost looks like I flat ironed my hair, but I hadn't yet. It's just this blow dryer, it's amazing. Usually by now my hair has like a burnt smell to it, but since I use that heat protectant, it smells so good, and I don't feel like my hair is crispy or anything at the ends. I think the product works really well. Now y'all, look at these results. It looks like I kind of already pressed my hair out, but I didn't. But I am gonna go ahead and section my hair because I need to trim my ends just a little bit. And I'm kind of weird, like whenever I do my silk press, I do it like once a month, and I literally trim my ends once a month. I don't know if I'm overdoing it or what, but I just have this scissor happy mentality, and I'm okay with cutting my hair. So what I'm doing is I'm just sectioning the hair off. I do it in 2 big sections, and then I put a tie at the end of my hair and just cut off whatever I think looks dead. Now, I am not a professional at all, but I saw this on TikTok. It was like trending how to cut your hair at home. So I gave it a try, and the results, I mean, it worked great for me. So I'm gonna continue doing this method. You can see I didn't cut much off, and the hair still came out nice and straight, so I'm happy with it. I'm gonna do the same thing to the front. I'm taking my hair and I'm just using the blow dryer since it has the brush bristles, and I'm combing it all forward. I'm gonna put the hair tie on, and this just kind of helps everything stay in place. And once I've done that, I'm gonna just pick a little section that I think looks thin or see-through, and I just cut that off and I'm done. Okay, so I'm actually not done. I go ahead and brush out my hair, and then I go to the front and just cut off whatever I think needs to be cut. If it's uneven, I'll go ahead and fix that. And then I'm adding a little bit more layer to the front. And I'm trying to shape my face a little better since I got a little chunky face. So that's about it for the cutting. Why didn't y'all tell me about this Chi Silk Infusion Serum? This stuff is so good. Like, if you're straightening your hair and you want to moisturize your hair and have a heat protectant all in one, this stuff is amazing. And it smells pretty good. I put a quarter size amount in my hair, and I just make sure I work it throughout. And I'm telling you, like, I feel like my silk press came out the best it ever has before. I'm going to be rocking a side part as always, and I'm going to use this Care wax stick to help tame those hairs. This helps tame all of the flyaways and just keep the hairs in place, and it also helps to smooth out the front of my hair. Y'all can see like it's looking a little rough around the edges, literally, so I like to put that on, and then I just flat iron those spots. If you're wondering what flat iron I'm using, I will link it, but this is the Conair Infinity Pro flat iron. It's a 1-inch, and I got this from Target for like $35, somewhere around there. It is my favorite flat iron, and I do have it on the highest setting. I believe the highest setting is like 30 or something like that. But I have a lot of high-end flat irons as well. Like I have the Baby Bliss and a few others, and I think this is my favorite one. Now let's get into the silk press. Whenever I do my hair, I like to do one pass because I feel like my blow dryer gets my hair pretty dang straight. So this is my first pass on this section, and I'm also gonna flip the hair outward because I just love those timeless curls. I think they're so pretty. I did want to show you all what the hair looks like if I just do it bone straight. I'm going to do one pass through as well, and it is going to be so shiny and full of body. Do you see what I mean? It's so pretty. Also, if you guys didn't know, I used the whole Shea Moisture line to wash my hair and condition and everything. I did not use my normal go-to, which is the Tresemme Keratin Smooth. I wanted to give that one a rest and just put something else in my hair to see how it would react to a different product. So once I get to the top of the hair, I like to curl going inwards, and I kind of keep it tight. And then I'm gonna do this basically for the rest of the hair, and then I'll start shaping the curls a little bit more at the end. This Tangle Teezer brush is from Target, and I love it whenever it comes to combing out the curls and just shaping the curls the way I want. This is the hair pretty much styled to my desire. I'm really happy with how it came out. I'm happy with the products I used. I will be sure to link everything. And just so y'all know, I went out on this day, so I was out in the wind and my hair still held up pretty nicely. I'm gonna come back and show y'all what it's looking like a little bit later. Y'all are gonna see that my curls fell out a little bit, and I did end up with a little bit of frizz, but considering I was out in the wind, it wasn't too bad. So this is the final look for the hair. I feel like it's really silky, and I love that. It's really soft, and normally whenever I do my hair, like flat iron it, I get this horrible flat iron smell, and my hair smells so good right now, and I'm pretty sure it's because of this hot commodity, the Taraji P. Henson heat protectant. I don't know if y'all can see that. But anyway, I sprayed this on and let it kind of settle. And when I tell you, my hair is just like so soft, and it does not have any burnt smell to it. So I'm forever grateful for this product. Yeah, 10 out of 10. I would definitely use these products again. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed the little video, and I will see you in the next one. Y'all enjoy the holidays. Bye.